This is Kathy from Blockchain Alpha, and today's video is about not losing your crypto. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is usually the first thing that comes to mind. But that is just one type. They are digital or virtual assets that use cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin and other digital currencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. They are volatile, meaning their prices can fluctuate significantly. So investors should be aware of the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency. What can happen if you lose your cryptocurrency? It's important to remember that, like any other investment, a certain amount of risk is involved with holding digital currency. Just as you would not keep all of your money in one place, you would not want to store all of your digital currency in one wallet. If something were to happen to that wallet, for example, if it were lost or stolen, you could lose all of your investment. There are a few things you can do to help protect your digital currency. First, don't store all of your coins in one place. Spread them out among different wallets and exchanges so that if one is lost or stolen, you still have access to the others. The easiest ways to lose your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Losing your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be easy if you're not careful. Here are some common mistakes that can lead to you losing your investment. 1. Not backing up your wallet. If you lose or forget your wallet password, you could lose access to your coins forever. Make sure to back up your wallet regularly in case something happens to your computer or phone. 2. Sending coins to the wrong address. When sending cryptocurrency, always double-check the recipient's address to ensure you're sending it to the right person or exchange. If you send it to the wrong address, there's no way to get it back. 3. Losing your private keys. Your private keys are what give you access to your coins, so it's important to keep them safe and secure. If you lose them, you could lose access to your funds forever. How to store your currencies. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to store your digital currencies. While there are many different wallets available, it's important to choose one that is secure and easy to use. Here are a few tips to help you choose the right wallet for your needs. 1. Make sure the wallet is compatible with the currency you want to store. Some wallets only support certain types of currency. 2. Choose a wallet with features like two-factor authentication or a built-in security key. These features will help protect your currency in case of theft or hacking. 3. Consider ease of use when choosing a wallet. You'll want to be able to access your currency easily and make transactions without any hassle. Look for a wallet with an intuitive interface and simple instructions. The different types of wallets. There are many different types of wallets that you can use to store your cryptocurrencies. The most popular type of wallet is the software wallet, which allows you to store your coins on your computer or mobile device. There are also hardware wallets, which are physical devices that keep your coins offline and out of reach of hackers. However, all types of wallets have their own pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that best suits your needs. For a full list of the different types of wallets, check out this wallet guide from CryptoCompare. It's time to choose a wallet and get started. When it comes to safeguarding your cryptocurrency, there are two main options: hardware wallets and software wallets. Both have their pros and cons, so it's important to understand the differences before choosing which one is right for you. Software wallets are convenient because they can be easily installed on your computer or phone. They're also free and typically easy to use. However, because they're stored on a device that's connected to the internet, they're more vulnerable to hacking than hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that look like USB sticks. They're considered much more secure than software wallets because they're not connected to the internet and, therefore, less susceptible to hacking. However, they can be lost or stolen, and they typically cost money, although there are some free options. Multi-sig wallets. What is a multi-signature wallet? A multi-signature wallet is a Bitcoin wallet that requires more than one signature to complete a transaction. This means multiple people must sign off on a transaction before it can be completed. Why use a multi-signature wallet? There are several reasons why you might want to use a multi-sig wallet. First, it can help to protect your funds in the event that one of the signatories is compromised. Second, it can help to ensure that all parties involved in a transaction are able to confirm that they are happy with the terms of the deal before any money changes hands. Finally, it can provide an extra layer of security for high-value transactions. How do I set up a multi-signature wallet? If you want to protect your cryptocurrency, one of the best ways to do so is to set up a multi-signature wallet. This type of wallet requires more than one person to sign off on a transaction before it can be processed, making it much more difficult for hackers to steal your coins. Here's how to set up a multi-signature wallet. 1. Choose a wallet that supports multi-signatures. There are many different wallets out there, so do research to find one that meets your needs. 2. Set up your wallet with the required number of signatures. This will usually mean adding multiple people as co-signers to the account. 3. Make sure all signatories have a copy of the wallet seed phrase. This is critical in case anyone loses access to their account for any reason. In conclusion, when it comes to safeguarding your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, the best defense is a good offense. By following the simple steps laid out in this guide, you can make sure that your crypto is safe from theft and loss. You can do your part in prevent hacking and theft by using the best security practices for your wallets. So don't wait until it's too late to take action, start protecting your investment today. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the box above to watch one of our other videos.